Netball First Step and President of Netball Jamaica, Dr. Paula Daly-Morris, says they have had to move on from the 3 members of the Sunshine Girls squad who were denied U.S. visas before the start of the Fast 5 World Netball Series in Australia later this month. Chantal Slater, Shamira Sterling and Jodian Ward were turned down by the U.S. Embassy 2 weeks ago, with the tournament set to begin on October 28. While speaking on Hits 92 FM's Girls Sports Club on Wednesday, Daly-Morris says they had to replace the girls as they were halting the plans of the International Netball Federation.
And the organizers have been waiting on us to announce the team so that they can put their media things in place. So we appealed to the INF and we're thankful that the INF listened and they granted us the permission to do the replacement so that we can move on. I mean, 3 weeks before an event, a lot of media and marketing things that would have to be done. And if the Jamaica team is not named early enough, already we're late and it is holding up the event.
Despite their unavailability for the Fast 5, the Netball Jamaica boss says they're pleased that the U.S. Embassy will be ongoing as the trio form part of their future plans.
To appeal to the U.S. Embassy because we have Commonwealth Games coming up, and it certainly would be important for us to have options in terms of players. Anything can happen, and so we want to ensure that our team can travel unencumbered by issues such as this. But we also respect the decisions of the U.S. Embassy, and we're basically just appealing to the U.S. Embassy to assist us in this regard.
Meanwhile, world-rated goal shooter Janelle Fowler-Reid heads a 10-member contingent to represent Jamaica at the Fast 5 Netball World Series starting on October 28 through to 29 in Melbourne, Australia. The other members are Shimona Nelson, Shanice Beckford, Rebecca Robinson, Melisha Kelly, Stacey Ann Facey, Vangelie Williams, Paula Thompson, Khadijah Williams and Dean Thomas. The Jamaica delegation also includes interim head coach Sasha Gay Henry, assistant Marvette Anderson and manager Faith Hall. The team is scheduled to leave the island on Sunday, October 22. Jamaica will face England and Australia in their first 2 matches.